Hi, with this video I'm going to show you how to use OWL's bulk updating feature. This is a great way to save some time when you are test building. Let's start by opening the OWL Test Builder by going to the Building menu and selecting Test, and I will edit this demo test that I've built. This is just a simple test of 3 multiple choice items, and I've used numbers and letters to make the shuffling more apparent. Let's preview as a test taker. So we're going to take a look at 3 properties. The titles, the words multiple choice are the default, I'm going to change those. The shuffling of the options, you can see these are in order. And the layout, I want the choices to be displayed vertically instead of horizontally. So let's go back to the test builder and learn a quick way to do this. I'm going to collapse the options to make this easier to see. First, I want to point out these selection boxes. You can use these to limit which items you're going to change with the bulk updating feature. I'm going to work on all of them, so I'll leave them unchecked. Now we'll go to the bulk properties editor by using this drop-down button and selecting items. The first thing to do is select which items you want to update, so that will be all. Now we make our changes to the individual properties. It's pretty simple. Step 1 is just turn on the field with this checkbox, and step 2 is entering in your change. I'll change the title to Pick 1. Then I'll go down here and change the layout to vertical and shuffle options to yes. Oh, one more thing. I like to use this feature to quickly name my items. So I just entered the beginning of the name here. Now I'll click apply and then close. So to finish the names, I append the new names like this. Now let's preview the test again as a student and see the other changes. You can see the titles now say pick 1 and the options are displayed vertically and shuffled. Now that I have the test the way I want it, I'll close the previewer and save my work to finish. Thanks for watching and for choosing OWL testing software.